Hey everyone, welcome to PC Tricks Guru YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to generate subtitles using the AI plugins, and for this purpose you can use any recorded podcast or any speech that you have saved in your laptop. Not only this, if you want to generate the subtitles from a recorded vocal which you recorded just now, you can do it on real time as well. So without any further delays, let's get started and see the process. But before starting, you need two things installed in your device. The first one is the Audacity software, which you can download for free from the internet, and the second one is OpenVino AI plugins. So I'll show you from where you can download both the two things, and how to set up the OpenVino AI plugins as well inside the Audacity so that you can use it. So first you have to open your web browser and go to Google, or simply search for Audacity in your search engine. So here you can see that Audacity is there, audacityteam.org. You can simply click on it and it will open the Audacity website. After clicking on it, the website would check that whether you are a human or not. So once the page loads, you can simply click on download Audacity 3.4.2. so we have to use just the installer, not the additional things. So if you click on it, it will initiate the download. As you can see that my Internet Download Manager has started downloading it. I'm not going to download it because I already have downloaded and installed it, so I'll just click on cancel. And once you will download and install Audacity, you should be able to see an icon like this. If you open the application, it would look like this one. So this is the interface of Audacity. Now once we are done with the installation of Audacity, let's download and install OpenVino AI plugins. So for OpenVino AI plugins, you have to scroll down a little bit on the page, and here you can see a blog post from Audacity team that introducing OpenVino AI effects for Audacity. You simply have to click on this, and after clicking on this, it will open the web page that will have all the information available about this add-in. So scroll down and here you'll see the option download and installation. So this is the GitHub page where the whole project is hosted. You just have to click on this and it will redirect you to the GitHub page. So on the GitHub page, you'll see the latest version, which is version 3.4.2 R1, and this is compatible only with the latest version of Audacity, which is 3.4.2 64-bit release. So if you go and download the Audacity from the web page, make sure that you are downloading the latest one. Now scroll down and you'll see the install procedure. In the install procedure, you'll have to download two zip files. So the first file is OpenVino module, which can be downloaded directly by clicking here, and the second one is OpenVino models. So you just have to click on both of them, and once you are done with the download, you will be able to see it here in your downloads folder. So as you can see, OpenVino models and Audacity OpenVino module, both of them have been downloaded in my system, right? So let's minimize this. Once we are done with the download, now about the installation, let me show you how to install it. So after downloading the plugins, you have to first extract them. Right click on here and then click on extract all. Do it for both the files, and once you're done with the extract part, you should be able to see a folder like this, right? So Audacity OpenVino module, you have to first go to this PC and go to the root folder where the Audacity has been installed. So go to program files and then Audacity, right? So OpenVino models, as you can see that I already have pasted it. So first you have to extract this OpenVino models. Once you are done with the extract process, you will simply see the folder, and then copy this from here, right? You can simply copy. Once it is extracted, you can press Ctrl C and then copy it. After copying it, you have to go to the root folder where Audacity is installed and paste it here. So once you'll paste it, you'll see that the Audacity models folder would be there. Now the second thing is that you have to go to the downloads folder again, and this folder which you have extracted, Audacity Open Window module, you have to select all of them and then copy all the select all of them and then click on copy here. So once you copy all these files, you have to go back to the root folder of Audacity and paste that as well here. So if I press Ctrl V, you'll see that I already have pasted it, so I do not need to repaste the files again. So I'll just click on skip these files. Right, so now the installation of the modules, the Open Window modules, have been completed. You can close this one and you can close this downloads folder as well. Let's go and launch Audacity. After launching Audacity, you have to go to Edit and then go to Preferences. Once you are in the Preferences section, you should see Modules, this section over here. So click on Modules and make sure that everything is set to enabled. If something, for example, if you have installed the Open Window module for the first time, it should be set like this one, New. So we do not have to keep it on New, change it to enabled and then click on OK. Right, so make sure that everything is set to enabled. Once you have enabled everything, then you have to close Audacity again and then reopen it. So after you reopen, you should be able to see all the effects from the Open Window. Like here in the effects section, you'll see the Open Window AI effect. So it has music separation, music remix, noise suppression. Several AI tools are available in this plugin which you can use directly. It has the Open Window Whisper transcription as well. So for this video, we are going to use just this one, Open Window Whisper transcription. So for the transcription or to generate the subtitles, you need a recorded podcast. So just as a sample, I'm opening this English test, this MP3 file that I recorded. So let's listen what is there in this audio file. So I'll play it. One day, a rich man decided to take his son on a trip to the country. The wealthy man wanted to show his son how the poor people live so he could be thankful for his wealth. Okay, so this is just a random line from a story that I recorded, and now if you want to generate the subtitles for this, you can select the whole section. If you want to generate the subtitles just for a specific part, you can select it using your mouse, or you can simply press Ctrl A and select the whole audio file. Once the file has been selected, you have to go to Analyze and then click on Open Window Whisper Transcription. Once you click on Open Window Whisper Transcription, you'll see some of the options here. I will recommend to leave everything to default, but yes, if you want to fasten the processing speed, you can select GPU if you are already using an external GPU. Otherwise, leave it to CPU. Usually it doesn't take much time, it just gets completed within a few seconds. So click on Apply and wait for the process to be completed. It should not take more than 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, so now you can see that it's done. At the bottom here, you can see one day a rich man decided to take his son on a trip to the country. The wealthy man wanted to show his son how the poor people live so he could be thankful for his wealth. Right, so you can see that the subtitles have been generated. If you want to play the audio again, one day a rich man decided to take his son on a trip to the country. The wealthy man wanted to show his son how the poor people live so he could be thankful for his wealth. Right, so this is how you are going to generate the subtitles for any recorded podcast or any recorded audio. If you want, you can do a real-time recording. Just click on this record button here, record a piece of text or whatever you want to record, and then generate the subtitles for that. Not only this, if you want to save these subtitles in a text file, you just have to select this track here. So click on this track and then go to File. After going to File, you will see the option export other, export labels, right? So once you click on export labels, it will give you the option to save the file. So just change the name. If you want to name it as transcription.txt, that is fine. So I'll just click on save. Once we save it, if I go to the desktop, here is the transcription, and if I double click on it, you should be able to see that this is what it shows. One day a rich man decided to take his son, whatever the story was, it is there, and these are the timestamps. So if you want, you can clean the timestamps and get a proper subtitles for the audio that you recorded. Here it is. So this is it. I believe you liked the video, and this is quite useful because it's actually a paid feature which several AI tools are offering, and in this using this add-in you can avail it for free. It's completely legal and you do not have to pay a single penny for this feature. And the best thing about it is that you do not have to be connected to the internet as well. If you disconnect your internet, and even if you try to use the transcription feature, it's going to work flawlessly without taking much time. So this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends who are interested in generating these transcriptions or doing transcription for recorded vocals, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. So thanks everyone, thank you again for watching the video. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.